Hi, I'm Chris with Crawl Space Door Systems in Virginia Beach. This is our unassembled 2-piece sump pump bucket. You might have seen our other videos about this. We designed this so it'll fit perfectly into an 8x16 opening. Once inside the crawl space, you can assemble it. We now have this available as a sump pump kit. We offer the Zoeller M53 sump pump with the vertical float. Fits perfectly in this bucket, as well as the hose kit with the adapters, and you can get all this on our website.